Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must begin by using an elevated account so permission checks are meaningful. First, sign into an administrator profile, then open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC or right-click the taskbar. If Task Manager immediately shows access is denied, navigate to C, \Windows \System32, right-click Task Manager. EXE and choose Run as Administrator. This forces the process to request full privileges and helps reveal whether group policy or file permissions are blocking you. Once done, make sure you note any error codes or messages for the next steps. Now you inspect how Windows enforces access. Open Properties right arrow Security on Task Manager. EXE and its folder to verify your account has read and execute and full control where appropriate. Adjust ACLs if missing. Then review local group policy, run gpedit. MSC and check user configuration, right arrow administrative templates right arrow system to ensure remove task manager is not configured or disabled. If permissions look correct but behavior persists, run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files. These commands fix corrupted manifests, finish by isolating remaining causes. Reboot into safe mode and try Task Manager to rule out third-party software or malware interference. Safe mode loads minimal drivers and services. If safe mode works, remove recently installed apps or run malware scans. Also create a fresh administrator user to confirm whether the problem is profile-specific. If problems persist, use a recent system, restore point, or perform an in-place repair install to preserve files while restoring system components. One key tip: if denial continues, check antivirus logs and temporarily disable real-time protection before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.